Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. So what you have to do, we need to just press Windows key plus R key together to open run. Then type here sysgm.cpl and hit enter. So it will open system properties. Then go to hardware tab and then you can click on device manager. So it will open device manager window. If this not work, then just close all windows and go to search bar, type here Windows PowerShell and then right click on it, select run as administrator. Now select as. What we have to do is we need to execute some commands. So type all these commands carefully and hit enter to execute them. So type in net user space administrator space /active :s and hit enter. So the command completed successfully, and then we need to execute the next command, that will be devmgmt.msc and simply hit enter. So there we go, the device manager is on your screen. You can simply type exit and hit enter. That's it guys. You can also check out our description link to fix this issue quickly and effectively. That will be a better way also. And yeah, don't forget to like the video and please do subscribe the channel.